Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best nasal saline spray is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential items for maintaining daily respiratory comfort, offering a simple, drug-free solution to combat dryness, congestion, and irritants, making it a crucial tool for anyone seeking relief from allergies, colds, or just the everyday challenges of environmental pollutants, ensuring clearer breathing and improved overall well-being with just a gentle mist. Number 5. Arm & Hammer Simply Saline Daily Mist. Feeling congested? This daily mist provides immediate relief for everyday nasal stuffiness. It helps you breathe easier and feel more comfortable. Formulated with a simple saline solution, it gently cleanses and moisturizes your nasal passages. This natural approach helps clear irritants without harsh chemicals. Designed for daily use, it's a convenient addition to your routine. Just a few sprays can make a big difference in your comfort throughout the day. Whether it's allergies, dry air, or common colds, it tackles various causes of congestion. You can rely on it to keep your nasal passages clear and refreshed. Experience a gentle yet effective way to manage your nasal health. It's safe for daily use and helps maintain optimal nasal hygiene. Each bottle contains 4.5 ounces, providing ample supply for regular use. Its compact size makes it perfect for home or travel. What we like? This mist is perfect for your daily nasal hygiene routine. It provides instant relief for everyday congestion, keeping your nasal passages clear and comfortable. If you are looking for a gentle, effective solution for daily maintenance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Arm & Hammer Simply Saline Nighttime Nasal Mist. Are you struggling with nighttime nasal congestion? This drug-free mist offers a gentle solution to help you breathe more easily as you sleep. Experience the calming power of eucalyptus. Its natural properties work to soothe and clear your nasal passages, promoting restful sleep. You can trust this mist for effective relief without medication. It's a gentle yet powerful way to combat stuffiness. This product is safe for both adults and children aged 2 and up. It provides a reliable option for the whole family's nighttime comfort. Worried about interactions? This mist is safe to use alongside your prescription and over-the-counter medications, offering worry-free relief. What we like? Designed specifically for nighttime, this mist helps you breathe easier while you sleep. It features calming eucalyptus to soothe your senses and is completely drug-free. If you struggle with congestion that disrupts your sleep, this soothing option is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Arm & Hammer Simply Saline Extra Strength Nasal Mist. This nasal mist is crafted with 100% pure ingredients. It contains only purified water, salt, and Arm & Hammer baking soda for gentle yet effective relief. Its unique 3% saline formula is extra strong. It works to alleviate swelling and gently draw water out of your nasal tissues, providing powerful relief. Say goodbye to uncomfortable sinus pressure. This mist helps clear nasal blockages, making it easier to breathe and feel better. Suffering from severe congestion and stuffy noses? It effectively alleviates these symptoms and flushes irritants from your nasal passages. This sterile nasal spray is drug-free and safe for frequent use, day or night, without side effects. Doctors even recommend using it with your prescription and OTC medications. It's non-drowsy and can be used as often as needed. Plus, it's FSA and HSA eligible, making it a convenient choice for your health needs. As part of the trusted Arm & Hammer family, it's proud to be the #1 saline nasal spray brand. Choose it for reliable and effective nasal relief. What we like? When congestion hits hard, this extra strength formula is your go-to. Its unique 3% saline solution is designed to tackle severe congestion and alleviate sinus pressure effectively. If you have persistent or severe nasal blockages, this powerful mist offers robust relief. What people say. Number 2. Frida Baby Saline Kit Cold and Flu. Discover the ultimate solution for your baby's stuffy nose. This comprehensive 12-piece set is designed to provide quick and effective relief from cold and flu symptoms. At its core is the renowned Frida nasal aspirator. It's a gentle yet powerful nose sucker, ensuring your little one can breathe easier. Complementing the aspirator is a gentle saline nasal spray. It helps to loosen mucus, making the aspiration process more comfortable and effective. The kit also includes a potent nasal spray decongestant. This 0.68 fluid ounces solution works to clear nasal passages, providing much-needed relief. For your peace of mind, it comes with 10 extra hygiene filters. This ensures each use is clean and safe, maintaining optimal health for your baby. This complete set is your go-to for tackling cold and flu season. It provides everything you need to help your baby feel better, faster. What we like. This comprehensive kit is a lifesaver for parents dealing with baby congestion. It includes a gentle saline spray and a nasal aspirator, making it easy to clear tiny noses. If you are a parent looking for a complete and safe solution for your little one's cold and flu symptoms, this kit is perfectly designed for you. What people say. Number 1. Arm & Hammer Simply Saline Daily Care Nasal Mist. Experience immediate comfort. This mist starts working in mere seconds, providing quick relief when you need it most. Say goodbye to uncomfortable dryness. It gently moisturizes your nasal passages, leaving them feeling refreshed. Beyond just moisturizing, it also helps to gently flush away irritants. Keep your nasal passages clean and clear with ease. You can trust its gentle formula. It's completely drug-free and steroid-free, making it a safe choice for daily use. Feel free to use it whenever necessary. Its safe formulation provides instant congestion relief, as often as you need it. What we like. Experience relief that starts working in seconds with this daily care mist. It not only clears congestion but also moisturizes dry nasal passages and flushes out irritants. If you like fast-acting relief and need something to combat dryness and environmental irritants, this multi-pack is a great value. What people say. No positive review points found in the provided source. No positive review points found in the provided source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.